ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Okay, from here we have to do tena vachanam uchyate. Okay, yesterday who was done at the end?
I think Poonaji, it's my turn.
Okay, please continue.
One second. Tena vachanam uchyate. Words are being spoken by them. By them, right? Tena.
Tena is which vachana?
Tena should be bahuvachanam, right?
No, ekavachanam.
Oh, okay. By
taihi is bahuvachana.
Okay. 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 By him.
Yes.
Words are being spoken by him. Then pratah ijyate. Morning. In the morning, it's being worshipped. Bijani upyante. The seeds are being sowed. Then sowed or used. Okay. Used or sowed?
Natadam.
Sowed.
Okay.
Bharah uhyate. Weight is being carried. Pushpam grihyate. Grihyate is holding, right?
Taking also can come. Grahanam.
So flower is being taken. Chhatra cha pruchyate. Student is being questioned.
Okay. Next, Anusha, can you do it in Telugu?
వారి ద్వారా వచనం చెప్పబడుతుంది. ఉదయం పూజించబడుతుంది. విత్తనాలు మొలకెత్తబడుతున్నాయి. నాటబడుతున్నాయి. భారాన్ని మోయబడుతుంది.
నాట్ భారాన్ని, భారం.
భారం. ఓకే.
ప్రథమ ఏకవచనం.
పువ్వు పుయ్యబడుతుంది.
తీసుకోబడుతుంది.
పువ్వులు తీసుకోబడుతున్నాయి.
పుష్పం ఏకవచనం.
పువ్వు తీసుకోబడుతుంది. విద్యార్థి
అడగబడుతున్నాడు. చ మరియు విద్యార్థి అడగబడుతున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ శివానంద్.
मया रिपुः जीयते अग्रो हूयते, फलानि चीयन्ते, दुग्धं मथ्यते, दुर्जनं भद्यते, गुरुः कथ्यते, भोजनं च भक्ष्यते। मया रिपुः जीयते। रिपुः means enemy.
Yes.
Yes.
I am being lived with my. I am being lived with enemy.
Jiyate. Jiyate means what?
Living. Okay. If living means what?
Jiyate. Jiyate means what? What is the dhatu for jiyate?
Jiyate. Just a minute. Jiyate. Oh. Jiyate.
Ji jaye.
Ji jaye.
There, if you search there, you have to open bhava karmanoho. Then only you can see this kind of form, jiyate. Ji jaye means to win.
To win. Okay. Okay. I am being wind. I am being won. Okay, this is jiyate, not to past tense. I am being win by any. I am being. Okay, the enemy is being win by me. The enemy is being won by me.
Yes.
But it is past tense, no mind. Won comes.
Being is used. So, what kind of sentence, Amma, it is in English?
Present continuous.
Oh, it is present continuous. Okay. In present continuous, like Rama is going, that is present continuous, na?
Yes.
Yes.
So
in this case, it could be by me, the enemy is won over.
yes, and it
Is
is
being won over, is being won.
lat lakara, no? Jiyate is lat lakara atmanepani, right?
Yes.
So lat lakara is present.
No, the word won is there. No, that is past tense.
Yeah, in English we use past tense, but we use being with it. So being one is present.
Present, yes.
So there is one called passive voice, active voice. So this is like passive voice of present continuous.
Okay. Agro huyate. Agro huyate is. Agro is.
Huyate means havanam, doing homa. Offering.
The homa is done.
Means, offering the grains. Huyate.
Okay.
In Agni, in fire.
Offering is done by me.
Yes.
Or offering is being done by me. Okay. Falani chiyante. The fruits are picked by me.
What is
then,
that? Okay.
Pick. Dugdam mathyante.
Chiyante is collecting.
Chosen or selected.
For picking, the dhatu is having different.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we can use
The fruits are being selected. The fruits are being chosen by me. The milk is being churned by me. The bad peoples are being tied tied by me.
Not people, only one person. Bad people.
The bad one is tied by me, or the bad person is tied by me.
Tied?
Kathyate,
wrong word.
Kathyate. Okay. In my case, it is kathyate. So that's what I was. Okay.
Okay. Kathyate is next one. Guruhu kathyate. Okay, continue.
Guruhu katyate. Guruhu katyate.
Guru is being said by me.
Guru is being said by me.
So spoken to is also correct there?
Yes.
Guruhu katyate bhojanam cha bhakshyate, and food is eaten by me.
Yes. Vijayaji, can you do it in Telugu?
నా ద్వారా శత్రువు జయించబడుతుంది.
శత్రువు
నా ద్వారా శత్రువును జయించబడుతుంది. నా ద్వారా శత్రువును జయించబడుతుంది.
Ripuhu is which vibhakti?
ప్రథమ విభక్తి. శత్రువు. నా ద్వారా శత్రువు జయించబడుతుంది.
జయించబడుతున్నాడు. Ripuhu is pullinga, right?
Yes. జయించబడుతున్నాడు.
జయించబడుతున్నాడు.
అగ్నిలో హవనం చేయబడుతుంది. ఫలాలను సేకరించబడుతుంది. పాలు మదించబడుతుంది.
మథించబడుతుందా మదించబడుతుందా?
మదించబడుతుంది. మదనం. దుర్జనుడి
even in Telugu mathanam.
ఓకే, మతించబడుతుంది. దుర్జనుడు బంధింపబడుతుండు. గురువు చెప్పబడుతుండు. మరియు భోజనం
తినబడుతుంది. నా ద్వారా భోజనం తినబడుతుంది. భోజనం కాబట్టి తినబడుతుంది. So we have to see what is the kriya pada is following what, that we have to see, and we have to connect the kriya pada with this karta. Okay, next Uma Amma. From now onwards we will when we make a sentence in Sanskrit, for kriya pada we have to tell the dhatu and its meaning also, so that it will become familiar. Otherwise these original dhatus and meanings are not at all familiar. Okay, Uma Amma, can you start?
Okay, I will try. So मेरे द्वारा पाठ पढ़ा जाता है. So मया द्वारा पाठः पठ्यते, and पठ धातु I think the original is patane or something like that. I have to look it up. So,
What did you say? Maya.
Maya. Dwara I can use, right?
Yes,
When do I
yes.
use dwarena and when do I use dwara?
Dwarena means tritiya.
Yeah, so dwara is also tritiya, right?
Dwara is not needed, right?
It is not needed, but I was trying to use it because they used. In Hindi, they have to use.
Hindi, not in
Yeah.
Sanskrit.
Okay, so we don't have to use dwara in
No,
Sanskrit.
no, no.
Okay, so maya pataha pathyate. So that
Yes.
is all.
Pat dhatu meaning is vyaktayam vachi.
Oh, vaktayam vachi.
Not vaktayam, vyaktayam vachi.
Hmm.
Okay. To learn, to read, to study, to recite, everything. Okay. Okay, next one. Upendra ji is there?
Upendraji is not there. Should I go?
Hmm?
Upendraji is not there. Should I
Vijaya,
go?
Vijaya ji?
Oh, Vijay.
तेरे द्वारा लेख लिखे जाते हैं।
Hmm.
त्वदीयः लेखः लिख्यते।
Hmm. Why tvadiyaha?
तेरे द्वारा
Tvaya. Tere dwara. Tere means you are them for what is the English word?
You.
You. Then tvaya.
त्वदीय ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
Ni yokka. Ni dwara. Tvaya means ni dwara. Tere dwara means ni dwara. Tvadiya means ni yokka.
Okay.
That is different context. Context itself. Madiyam shariram, my sharira. Like that. This is different. Tere dwara, by you.
Okay. त्वया लेखः लिख्यते।
What is
लिख
that?
धातु।
Hmm.
लिख धातु।
Meaning?
Meaning I don't know.
Okay, akshara vinyase. Likha akshara vinyase, not likha akshara vinyase. Next one.
गोपाल के राम के द्वारा दूध दुहा जाता है। रामेण दुग्धम दुह्यते। दुह्धातु। दुह्धातु।
What is the meaning?
To milk.
Duha prapurane.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Raja ke
Note
dwara.
down every dhatu meaning, and next time when your turn comes, a lot of sentences are there in this chapter. Again and again, same dhatus will come. Okay, continue.
राजा के द्वारा नगर की रक्षा की जाती है। राज्ञ, so it will be राज्ञः नगरं रक्षते।
Can you say the kriya pada again?
रक्षते।
Yakara should come. Rakshyate.
Yakara is there. Sorry. Rakshyate.
Is it past tense or present tense?
Present tense.
Okay. What is the meaning?
By the king, the city is being protected.
No, the dhatu meaning.
Oh, dhatu. Raksha, to protect.
Raksha palane.
रक्षा पालने. Okay.
Next one.
नेक्स्ट इज शिष्य के द्वारा भार ले जाया जाता है. शिष्य शिष्येण भारम नीयते.
Bharam is which vibhakti?
I took it as Napunsakalinga. But
Napumsakalinga.
yeah, I'm not sure.
Bharaha.
Oh,
Bharaha.
so Shishyena Bharaha Niyate.
Uhyate, right? Clear.
Niyate.
Niyate.
So it will be Ni.
Yeah, Bhara
Prapani.
is Pullinga. Ni Prapani. Bhara is Pullinga, not Napumsakalinga.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next one.
मेरे तेरे और राम के द्वारा दान दिया जाता है, जल पिया जाता है, पुस्तकें रखी जाती है, वस्त्र नापा जाता है, गाने गाए जाते हैं, रहा जाता है. सो मेरे तेरे मया त्वया रामेण दानम the dhatu, is it dad dhatu? Dadhyate? Danam.
Danam is Danam only.
Giving, that diya jata hai is it dadhyate?
Dane. Dane. Giving means dane.
The da dhatu also.
Yes. Da. It is alpa prana da. Dane.
Then danam diyate, jalam piyate.
Papane.
Then pustakam giyate.
Pustakam.
रखी जाती है, kept.
Stha.
पुस्तकानि धातु अस्धातु, right?
Stha dhatu.
Stha.
Sthiyante.
Sthiyanti, right?
Sthiyante. Atmanepadi. Sthiyante is the dhatu. Meaning is Shtha gati nivrittau.
Then vastram miyate. Vastra napa. Mi dhatu, right?
Ma dhatu. Ma mani.
Okay. Miyate.
Vastrani. Vastra, is it ekavachana?
Yeah. Vastrani miyate.
Miyante.
It is ekavachanam, no? Vastra.
Sorry. If it is bahuvachanam, what could be there in Hindi?
Vastram.
Okay.
Vastram.
Okay.
वस्त्र नापे जाते हैं. It would become.
Okay. Miyate.
Miyate. Then ganam giyate. Gana, that is
Yes.
Yes. Ganam.
ashram, ashramah.
Ganam is actually plural. गाने गाए जाते हैं.
हाँ, गाने गाए जाते हैं. गानान, गानम, गाने, गानानि.
Hmm.
गीयन्ते.
Yes.
आश्रमः,
What is the
आश्रमः.
dhatu? Giyante. What is the dhatu?
Did Gai?
Yes. Yes. Next.
आश्रम में रहा जाता है.
Meaning is shabde. Gai shabde. Dhatu meaning is shabde. Next.
आश्रम में रहा जाता है. It says था. So आश्रमः, I don't भूयते. Stha.
Yeah, Bhuyate, even I wrote Bhuyate.
Stha is there. Sthiyate. Staying in ashram. Gati nivrittau. Stha. Dhatu meaning is gati nivrittau. Gati nivrittau means gati means going, na?
Yes.
That nivritti of going means not going, staying. Staying means ashrame sthiyate.
Okay. Ashramah, right?
What
Ashramah.
is Ushyate, Purna ji? Ushyate.
Ashrame, saptami can come there.
Ashrame then.
Yes. Aparna, what you are asking?
Purna ji, with Stha Dhatu, Ushyate can come or only Sthiyate can come?
Ushyate.
I don't
No.
know from where. Okay.
Okay, next one. Okay, next, Shivananji.
Oh, I didn't finish, I think.
Yes, it is all big sentences, so we'll just split it.
Okay.
Shivananji.
नगर में, okay, that is over. घर. घर छोड़ा जाता है. गृहम. गृहम मुच्यते.
Tyajyate.
Hiyate. Hoha. Oha. Tyage.
It won't be Tyajyate, Purna ji?
Tyaj
Parihan
dhatu is there.
Four dhatus are there. Much is there. Pariharan is there. Ha dhatu is there. Guru dhatu is there.
Yes.
So, from which one? Muchyate is okay.
Yes, muchyate is also okay.
When the पाप नष्ट किया जाता है. पापम. पापम samhite. Here also some of sa sham. Four dhatus are there. Sorry.
Yeah.
Dhums.
Don't go
Dhums
here
है
and
dhums.
there. Don't go here and there and don't get confused. Whatever is given in this chapter, dhatus, we can use those dhatus only. It is very, very simple. No worry about other searching and all. Just nasht kiye jate hai. What is the kriya pada dhatu given in this chapter?
Must हो ना. How?
Shru
How plus
hinsayam. Shru hinsayam shiryate. Right? Is it plural?
आप नष्ट किया जाते हैं नीति ये इज इट प्लूरल
Then papani
Papa is
shiryante. Papani
Papani
shiryante.
There is
Shiryante.
sa
Papani.
dhatu, right? Poonaji, there is sa dhatu plus av upasarga. Nasht hona says. Avasiyate.
Avasiyate. Okay. But shru is also nasht hona. Shiryate.
Oh, yeah.
Poonaji, it is not papam shiryante.
Papani.
Sorry, papani shiryante. That is not right.
Yes, that is what I said.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Mama.
Okay. I lost the place. So,
Seventh one.
सेवेंथ. ओके. मेरे द्वारा खाना खाया जाए. मया खाद्यं खाद्यते. भोजनम भुज्यते. What is the verb in this?
Khadyate. Khad dhatu we can use.
Okay, खाद्यते.
What is the meaning? Khad bhakshane.
Bhakshane. Okay.
Next one.
This should be lot, right? So khadyatam.
Khaya jaye. Yeah, it could be lot. Yes, it could be khadyatam. And it is the Ashtadhyayi is given khadra bhakshane. Is that how we say it, or we say khad?
Yes. Khadra bhakshane.
Khadra bhakshane. Okay. So khadyatam. Okay.
Next one. Upadesh kaha jaye. Umama, can you do that one also?
Upadesh kaha jaye. Udgiyate. So upadeshah maya upadeshah udgiyatam. It should be, because this is also lot. Is udgiyatam the right? Upasarga gaye, I think.
Giryatam.
Udgiryatam.
Udgiryatam.
Okay. And gru dhatu, right? Ud plus.
Yes.
Because the second meaning is bolna. First one is vomit. Udgiryatam. Okay.
Nigarane. Gru nigarane.
Yes, gru nigarane with ud upasarga. Gru nigarane. Okay.
Next. Upendra ji is there?
Yo, Ma.
Ji. Can you do that one?
I am outside. I have not prepared, Amma.
Okay. हाँ, next one, विजया जी.
अध्ययन पूर्ण किया जाए. अध्ययनं पूर्ण्यते. अध्ययनं पूर्ण्यताम्.
पूर्यताम, not पूर्ण्यताम, पूर्यताम.
तेरा जाए और कन्या चांठी जाए.
Thaira, not
तैरा.
Thaira.
Oh, sorry. तैरा.
What is Thaira, Amma?
swim, swim.
Swim. Okay.
What is this? तैरा.
तीर्यते. Swimming.
Okay.
तीर्यताम, right?
हाँ,
तीर्यताम्.
Load.
तीर्यताम् च कन्या दीयताम्.
कन्या
चांठी.
ప్రియతాం. ఎన్నుకోవడం.
స్వీయతాం.
వ్రియతాం.
వ్రియతాం.
భ్రూవరణి.
ఓకే.
So the thru is plavana taranayoho. That is the
Yes.
thing. Okay.
లవణ తరణయో. Next one. अनुषा.
उसके द्वारा कार्य किया जाए, वस्त्र हरण किए जाए और वचन वहा जाए. तेन कार्यम क्रियताम और क्रियताम. ओके ना, लोट लगा. वस्त्रम धारयताम.
वस्त्र हरण किए, not धारण. हरण means దొంగిలించబడుతున్నారు.
वस्त्राणि, right? वस्त्र हरण किए जा रहे हैं. So
దొంగిలించబడుతున్నారు. దొంగిలించడం అంటే హృహరణే. హృహరణే. హ్రియంతాం. వస్త్రాణి హ్రియంతాం.
ప్లూరల్ అమ్మా, బహువచనం. క్రియంతాం. ఓకే. వచనం
వచనం ఉచ్యేతాం. బ్రూధాతు వ్యక్తాయాం వాచి. వచనం ఉచ్యేతాం. బ్రూ వ్యక్తాయాం వాచి. అవును, మీరు మిగతా వాళ్ళు అంటే మిగతా వాక్యాలన్నీ కూడా రాసుకుంటారా, లేదంటే మీ టర్న్ వచ్చినప్పుడు జస్ట్ రీడ్ చేసి వదిలేస్తారా?
లేదమ్మా, రాసుకుంటాం.
నోట్ చేస్తారా? ఓకే,
చేస్తాం.
నెక్స్ట్.
तेरे द्वारा वस्त्र धारण किया गया, पाठ पूछा गया, शत्रु जीता गया, गुरु स्तुति किया गया,
up to that you can do up to that.
Full essay only. Okay. त्वया द्वारा त्वया वस्त्रम धारणम
अध्रियत.
अध्रियत. Okay. अध्रियताम. त्वया वस्त्रम
Adri, no,
अध्रियत.
not. This is past tense, right?
हाँ, किया गया, right? So
Adriyata, not tam.
अध्रियत, अध्रियत.
So Purnaji, because it is Tvaya, should it not be Adhiyadvam? Adhiyadvam?
No, the Kriya Pada follows the karma, Vastrani. So Vastrani, Adhriyata, Adhriyetam, Adhriyan.
अध्रियंत.
Yes.
मध्यम पुरुष.
Is that your question, Sirisha ji?
Yes, Purnaji, I thought it was the second person. That
Madhyama Purusha, not Madhyama Purusha. It follows the Vastrani.
Okay.
The meaning is Dhrui Dharane. Somebody saying what?
No, I wanted to know the dhatu. It is not dha, but dhri. Right? That is
Dhri.
the dhatu. Dhri.
Dhrui Dharane.
It is three, Purnaji, or three?
Dhri means the and r,
Three.
like pru, how we write hrasva pru, like that.
Okay.
This reading is little bit different. We read it as dhru, and north people will read as dhri. But we read dhri, another dhri we read as dhri.
Three, little dirgha.
Not dirgha, rasva only. I'll show. It will always make confusion when this kind of pronunciation comes. When Swamiji pronounced differently, I pronounce differently. So whenever he pronounces, I will always have to look at the book. Such kind of things comes. This dhr here. This is we pronounce it as dhr. Swamiji pronounced it as dhri. When
Where
we
is it,
pronounce
Purnaji?
dhri,
Only. Oh, this one here. Okay.
when we pronounce dhri, this we pronounce as dhri. This is dhri. This is dhr. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Huh.
Dhr and three.
If you,
Correct.
all Telugu people will read this as dhr and this as dhri.
Three.
But in other language, people will read this is dhri. But we don't understand that way. So, however you pronounce, however your habit is there, you could pronounce. That is good.
One question, Purnaji. In this chapter, I couldn't find dhri dhatu, but I found dha dhatu, which also means dharan karna. So that was my. Maybe dhri is there, but I just didn't find it in this chapter.
Okay, that dha is dudha in dharana poshana yoho. That is dudha in dharana poshana yoho. Yes, we can use that also.
Then it won't be dhri, but it will be adhriyata. It will be something
It is just Adhiyata. It
else.
is
If
Adhiyata.
we use dha, then it will be
Okay. Okay, we'll see in next class. That one. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om